Extreme weather events such as heat waves, droughts, and intense rainfall are occurring more and more often. Climate experts blame this on the rise in global temperatures. For farmers, heavy rains, storms, and hail have drastic consequences. These weather phenomena can cause massive damage to crops and lead to high-yield losses. This makes standing power an even more important plant trait for cultivating such crops as corn. To simulate extreme weather events and their impact on corn plants in the field, KWS is conducting a special type of trial.
We are flying over the fields in a helicopter to artificially create the kind of stress corn plants experience during storms. This gives our breeders the ability to select between the robust and stable variants from the many genotypes.
In the past, trials like this were carried out using high-clearance tractors and wind machines.
The big challenge is exerting the right amount of pressure on the plants, not too much and not too little. We can do this much more presently using a helicopter than with past methods.
The helicopter draws on GPS data to follow predefined routes. Flying about 10 meters above the crops, it can simulate various gale forces. If necessary, the trials can be repeated under similar conditions, such as using the same height and speed. Optimal conditions for the trial prevail when it has rained for a few days and the soil is nice and moist. An increasing number of corn breeders at KWS are taking advantage of the opportunity to test their genotypes this way. They are able to draw conclusions about the standing power of the respective variety and rate this during the assessment by considering the damage caused during the flyover.
The goal of breeding is to achieve a good balance among standing power, yield, and other relevant plant traits such as disease resistance and drought tolerance.